Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to uninstall Terabox app from our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to uninstall the Terabox app from our phone, we'll be doing it from the settings and not the Terabox app itself. So open up the settings on your phone, and after opening the settings of your phone on this interface, scroll down and navigate to the apps option over here. Just above the location you can see the apps. Tap on apps and tap on the app management button at the top of the screen and let this interface load. And when this loads, guys, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and search for Terabox and open the Terabox interface on this panel, where you will be able to view, guys, on this interface there is the uninstall button available for us. Tap on the uninstall button at the right side of the force stop button, and when this box appears, again tap on the OK, and then the Terabox app will be uninstalled from your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to uninstall Terabox app from your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.